Hey YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels with my old man Kevin. First video I think he's ever been in. Welcome to our Flying Wheels channel. We are at the auction today. If you guys are into anything auto related, welcome to my Flying Wheels channel. You've stumbled across the right page. Today, tip for all of you car buyers, car sellers, it's July. What we're doing today is back to college cars. So you know you've seen my what do? We do like the buy your SUVs in the fall. We do the tax season cars in December and January. Well, if you ever notice, Walmart's not selling bathing suits and stocking up on bathing suits in July and August. They're stocking up on back to school supplies. They have their bathing suits in the spring. Well, we've already bought our toys. We've had our fun. Unfortunately, no more toys unless I'm really lucky and find something I really like. What we're doing today is college cars, cheap cars like $35,000, $4,000, $5,000 cars. We're going to stock up now. Takes us about a month to turn them around, clean them, get them fixed, safe for the road, and then come August they'll start selling. So that's what we're here for today. Let's get moving. So it's mid-July. It's beautiful out. It's like 90 degrees every day. Obviously I want to be buying toys. I want to be buying Mustangs and Camaros and Corvettes, and I still can, but they have to be unloaded like super fast, because if I have those cars come August, I have those cars come September, October, November, December, January, February. You got to get rid of that stuff. Get rid of your toys now, unload them, even if it's at a discount, because you're going to be stuck with them. Come middle of August, people start thinking, oh, let me fix that. Come August, people start thinking about getting rid of their toys, storage for the winter. They think about their winter car. I mean, this is Northeast stuff. Or if you live down in the South, you don't have to worry about it. But us, this is the stuff we have to think about. This is the part where my job gets slightly boring now, because I'm buying, like today I bought a GMC Terrain and like a freaking Pontiac Sunfire or something. Nothing cool, nothing fun, nothing neat. I did buy a Jeep Wrangler actually, so take that back. But I'm focusing on buying practical cars, $3,500 to $6,500, because that's what the demand is gonna be in 1 month. And it's gonna take me about a month to turn that car around and get it ready to sell. The other reason I stay in that price range too, again, $2,500, $3,500 to $6,500, that's cash cars, that's cash stuff. Parents will buy their kids' cars at that price. If it's more money than that, now you're talking loans, you're talking finance. College kids aren't going to be able to finance. Kids going into high school that need a new car aren't going to be able to finance their cars. So you're talking parents willing to spend cash on a car for their children. That's what you need to be buying. The other thing too right now, trucks. In August, everybody's going to start stocking up on trucks, so the prices are going to skyrocket. So if you see trucks right now when no one's thinking trucks, buy some trucks and SUVs. Can't say I've actually ever seen one of these. Coolest thing about it, it's right there, so you have to fix it. That would be a V12 twin turbo. Auction day is complete. Now it's transportation time. I'm a sucker for long Escalade ESVs. I cannot turn them down. I have like 2 Denali EXLs, whatever you call them, XLs. I have a Suburban. I think I might have 3 Denali XLs, but now I have an Escalade. There's just so much bang for your buck in these cars. If you guys aren't buying these things, you're crazy. People buy them all the time from me. They're awesome. I could fit all 3 of my kids in it. There's my college kid car, back to school car. I couldn't help myself, but I bought that 14 Ram Laramie Limited Longhorn, like best of the best truck, just because anybody who's anybody drives that truck right there. So that'll be an easy sell. And then my other one's on its way up right now. I think I got like a 12 GMC Terrain, perfect, back to high school, back to college car. That'll sell fast, and it was pretty clean too. So these are the ones I got. Time to transport them back. Crazy bright yellow 09 Pontiac G5 4-cylinder, basically a Chevy Cobalt, 4-cylinder automatic, 109,000 miles. Look at how clean this car is. I bought it like this, so it's already detailed. All I have to do is really inspect it, make sure it's safe for the road, put it right up for sale. I think I paid like $1,500 for it, something like that, which might be even too much, but it's so clean already that who cares? I can just turn it real fast. Here's the other one. This is a winner, I think. Not an Terrain, it's an Equinox. Same car. He catches me every time I have my camera out. 11, 130,000 miles, all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder auto. Here's the other one. You got to check this truck out. These are unbelievably nice. Fairly affordable, like 20s now. Laramie, Longhorn, something limited. This is as good as it gets. So nice. One owner, no accidents. Like freaking every option you can buy for this thing, which was once like $68,000, now we can pick up for 20. So pretty impressed with this purchase. And someone who wants to pretend they're somebody will buy this. So I bought this thing so he can tow his bikes back to Sturgis. I don't know, as Ludacris said, you can't lose with 22s, so I couldn't resist helping buying myself another Escalade. Twin DVDs with navigation, 2010. I freaking love these things. Oops. So I forgot that I bought a Wrangler too. I got a call, it's Monday morning, got a call from the auction this morning saying, hey, you forgot to pick up a car that I already paid for. So I spent like 50-something thousand dollars on Thursday and completely forgot that I bought a Jeep Wrangler. I would have eventually figured it out, but they called me and said, come grab your Jeep. So now I got the Jeep, the Escalade. What else did I buy over the weekend? A bunch of stuff. You guys saw it all. So anyway, hopefully I make some money on this. All right, that's it for the day. You got 3 generations of car guys. My dad, my grandfather. Like I said, buy cars for back to school this month. And trucks, because next month everybody's going to be buying trucks, getting ready for winter. So go make some money. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up and a subscribe down below. See you later, everyone. Adios.
Goodbye.
See you later. Adios.